I'm in my place of business where I make shoes for the difficult to fit. People that have no chance buying shoes in the store. I start with this print and then I mimic it in the wood form. The shading reveals pressure points. I contour the last to match the shadings and the pressure points of the way the weight is borne by this individual. And to control the size and the shape and the fitting and the look of the shoe is the last. And this last is a factory form that I am modifying to this individual's measurement. And this form is used for subsequent shoes. So if this is not right, none of the shoes will be right. And this individual has 2 different feet. So this individual gets 2 different wood forms. And this one isn't quite right yet. I can tell from the print that it's not wide enough right here. So I add these layers of leather onto the side of the last. It's a little oversized, so now I grind it down to get the right measurements. This shoe here, incomplete, is ready for a fitting, where the individual that's gonna wear this shoe gets to try it on before it's complete. Another crucial element in achieving the fit. It helps me correct the errors I made in the last. The next step after I'm ready that the last is close, I make an insert that's going to preserve this profile. And this is a heat treatable foam that when I warm it up and put it in the press, will assume the shape of the bottom of the last. This insert makes the shoe adjustable after it's delivered, and the individual gets to have practical experience in this insert, and then it can be adjusted. There's the insole, and here's the insert, and it's all on the last. Then the wood form is used to make the paper patterns of the future shoe. So right on the wood form, the paper patterns are made. Use the paper patterns to make the upper. So at this moment, the wood form and the upper go together. And as the shape of the last is, so will be the shape of the shoe. And if this last closely relates to the customer's foot, then I will have achieved the fit. And the difficult to fit person will have a shoe.